Let's introduce Gusheh rock, one of the very beautiful, amazing Gusheh that going to lead us from major mode to minor mode. Rock, R-A-K, and this is a group of Gushehs. We have few Gushehs of rock that going to experience a very beautiful mode of minor mode from Dastgah Mahour to Dastgah Humayun or its branch Avaz Bayat Isfahan. So just feel a very beautiful environment of Dastgah Mahour, the feeling of the mode of that. And now Gusheh rock. So we were in major mode and immediately we could transfer our mode and our mood, our feeling to minor mode from major mode. We have Mi bemol or E flat. Still C bekar or B natural. And now we are going just to make it stronger. La koron. So it's going just to keep going and going on, improvising from Mahour or major mode to minor mode, which is Avaz Bayat Isfahan, one of the branches of Dastgah Humayun. So I'm going just to sing it for you a little bit, then you can have the better sense of Dastgah Humayun, which brought us to minor mode from major mode or Gusheh rock. So please feel again Mahour mode. Now do re mi re do re mi bemol re mi re fa mi re do si do re do mi re do si do la koron or A quarter tone la sol la si do re mi fa mi fa mi fa mi fa mi fa mi fa mi re mi re mi re mi re mi re do re do si la si do re do mi re fa mi re do si do. Now we are totally in minor mode but using Dastgah Mahour by playing Gusheh rock. Let's have a little bit fun here. Let's play one of the very beautiful rock groups. We call it Kereshmeh rock and it has a little bit of the rhythm inside. Let's learn it. Let's play with me. And then we are going just to back to major mode again or Dastgah Mahour. But first we are in Dastgah Humayun or Avaz Bayat Isfahan, but still we were in Dastgah Mahour and using this Gusheh as a bridge. Kereshmeh rock or Safir rock. We can just use a Kereshmeh rock. Kereshmeh rock. we are going just to getting ready to going back to دستگاه ماهور. So we are totally in دستگاه ماهور now. Okay, I'm going just to teach it to you, and of course you can have Mirza Abdullah's Radif as a source for yourself, as a book, and you can use it and play more Gusheh. But we just introduce a few Gushes that play a very, very important role in دستگاه ماهور. Okay, again, sol do 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 si do 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 si do re do si do, and repeat it again. Sol fa mi bekar mi sol fa, again mi bekar mi re 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 fa mi re do 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 mi bemol re re mi fa mi re do si do re do si do. And we are going just to get closer to another Gusheh that generally we call it Furud. Furud, F-O-R-O-U-D. That going just to bring us from that Gusheh to main or major mode that we were inside of it. For example, right now we are in Mahour and we are going to play Gusheh Furud to reach to the station. And it is si do si do si do si do si do si do la si la si la si la si. We don't have la coron or quarter tone anymore. La do si la do si la do si re do si la sol fa sol fa sol fa sol la si bemol. We are going just to use this main key si bemol or B flat as a furud back to our main station, which was Mahour. Do si la sol fa sol fa mi re mi re mi re. And now we are comfortable in our main home, which was Mahour. Re mi fa sol fa mi re fa mi re mi re do re re do 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 re 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 mi 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 fa fa sol 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 la sol si la sol fa mi re do mi re do si la do si la sol. Strongly we are in our home. Sol la si do re do si re re do si do